Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. Truck Light, from the front of the truck to the rear of the trailer and everywhere in between. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. And by Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
This is Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, Motorheads, I know a lot of you are racers out there, and if you're a racer, you know how important carburation is. And if you know about carburation, you know BLP. Now, Joe is on the line with us here. Joe, tell us what BLP covers as far as carburation and everything else for your race car and your hot rod.
Oh, well, we cover all aspects of carburetions. We manufacture from main bodies to bowls to shafts to meter and blocks to all the hardcore components of a carburetor. We do manufacture in-house, along with we do also have one of the largest inventories of poly small parts as well.
A lot of folks that are running carbureted cars, they're American machines and they love made in the USA. Can we say that your stuff is all made in the USA?
Absolutely. In-house in our Orlando facility.
Fantastic. Now, you sent along some of your featured items here. Let's talk about it here. Let's roll down the line here. This is a BLP. This is an extreme performance carburetor right here.
Okay, that's the BX4 Extreme. That's a large bore 4150. Basically, for anybody that has to use a 4150 on a large cubic inch application, that's the carburetor for you. Where you're mandated, you have to run a 4150. That carburetor basically is a Dominator in a small package. Works great. We've had very good success with that carburetor throughout.
How long has that been around?
That particular carburetor's only been around maybe 4 or 5 years.
But we should add BLP's been around for a long, long time, so you guys are the experts.
Absolutely. We've been around for 56 years.
Very cool. So you certainly know what you're doing. You're getting the expertise from BLP and a quality product to boot right out of the box here. And so we're moving down the line here, our next unit here.
Yes, that's the BX4 4150 carburetors. We offer a large line of different sizes, custom Venturis, custom throttle boards with that particular carburetor. And that's basically a retrofit for any small application, circle track, drag, any type of 4150 application.
So you're not just all about drag racing. Anybody with a carbureted race car is looking to BLP for performance, right?
Oh, absolutely. Yes, we do circle track, drag, road race, mud trucks, swamp buggies, you name it.
All right, time to roll out the big unit here, Joe, the BX45. Tell me about that.
Yes, that's our version of basically a 4500 series Dominator. That's also available in custom configurations with throttle bores up to 2.375, which definitely allows for most applications enough CFM to handle most drag race applications.
You touched on customization there. Tell me some of the things you'll do custom for folks.
Oh, well, custom Venturi, throttle bore sizes, custom builds. Every carburetor we build is custom. We don't carry anything on the shelf. All our carburetors are built in-house at the time of order. You know, we have their customers provide us with all the information that they possibly can, and we build the carburetor to suit their needs.
And so, speaking of customization here, now if you have the BX45 but you're running nitrous, how can you help me there?
Well, I mean, it's a custom calibration, but one of the neat features of the 45 is if you look on the side there, there's a plate there, and that's for the TPS cover. If you're not using the TPS, that also doubles as a nitrous switch mount location. So it makes it very simple. You just mount your switch right to it. It comes with everything you need to mount it right up. All of our carburetors come equipped with that. You
guys make it really easy to make big power. And tell me about this little piece here, something you brought for show and tell as well.
Yeah, that's our telescoping fuel log. BLP was the first to actually make a telescoping fuel log.
There are others out there, but you guys were the first ones to do it.
We were the first, absolutely. And it will fit anything from a vacuum secondary all the way to a Dominator with full extension.
All right, now like this here, you integrated the tool with the jets here. Tell me about this.
Okay, all of our carburetors come with the jet tool. That's to easily remove and add jets. Also with custom jets, every carburetor you buy comes with 2 steps up and down to make changes needed. But all of our jets are also custom made in-house. We offer 3 different pitch sizes, quarter 32, 5/16, 32, and 350 32 to fit any application needed.
And it's not just carburetors. You guys do so much at BLP. What are some of the other things you manufacture?
We manufacture timing covers, pulley systems, injection throttle bodies. We also manufacture spacers. There's a large list of fittings, there's a large list of products that we make that aren't necessarily promoted or we're known for.
Even sent along a pump here, and I love this. This is a retrofit kit. If you're a hot rodder, you have an existing carburetor, you want to make it look better or perform better, you can upgrade with one of the kits from BLP. Joe, thank you for joining us. And if you want to jump into a new carburetor for your race car or for your hot rod, the only place to go is blp.com. We'll be right back with more cool products like this when we come back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Stay tuned.